Today video is going to be super quick and super short. It's mainly about this expression. It's go AWOL. Have you heard about it before? Have you known about it before? Let's see what does it mean. Go AWOL means to escape without taking a leave. Actually, it is a military expression, and it is used for a person who has left his duty without taking a leave or taking a permission. And actually this is crime. يعني الايديوم ده اللي هو جو ايوال ده كان بيستخدم كايديوم حربي، يعني كانوا بيستخدموه للشخص اللي هو متغيب او متهرب من الجيش. يلا نشوف الفيديو ده. Let's watch the video to see what does it exactly mean.
Perhaps a soldier objects to being sent to a combat zone, either out of cowardice or on grounds of morality. For many of these soldiers, the only solution is a drastic one, to go AWOL, or absent without leave. But what happens when you go AWOL? Between 2001 and 2012, during the height of the global war on terror, approximately 50,000 U.S. service members went AWOL, either permanently or for short amounts of time. The military defines AWOL status as not being where you're ordered to be at the time instructed to be there. So technically, being late to formation can count as being AWOL. Overwhelmingly, most soldiers go AWOL for completely unintended reasons, such as being stuck with bad travel plans, or are AWOL for only a day or two before returning to their unit. Some, however, go AWOL with the intention to leave the military permanently. Once AWOL, you have 30 days to report back to duty before you're officially listed as a deserter, and the punishment you face varies depending on how long you were gone and what you did during that time. Once you return from AWOL status or are captured by law enforcement, you'll face a military court-martial, which is the same as a civilian court with some notable exceptions, and is exclusively for military service members. Punishments can vary though, and as mentioned before, are typically meted out proportionate to the violation. Going AWOL for a day or two might earn you disciplinary action from your commanding officer, and can vary depending on their own judgment, from everything from administrative and legal action to off-the-record punishments such as harsh mandatory PT sessions, or a bevy of very unpleasant chores that will make sure you no longer have any free time. Under Article 87 of the Uniform Code of Military Justice, or the laws which govern military service members, individuals who miss movements or the departure of a soldier.
زي ما شفتوا كده ان يعني زي احنا بنقولها في مصر بيتقدر او بيتعاقب طبعا، لان هي جريمة في حق الجيش او في حق الالتزام بتاع الجيش. زي ولكن طبعا هل استمر الايديوم يستخدم في الجيش بس؟ لا طبعا، ليه مودرن ياسج وبدأ يدخل في اللغة أو في everyday life language، وبقى معنى إن أنا عندي حاجة جو AWOL أو حاجة has gone AWOL، يعني اختفت وأنا مش لاقيها تاني. زي يلا نشوف المثال. My phone has gone AWOL. It means that it has disappeared and I can't find it anymore. يعني اختفى، أنا مش لاقي التليفون بتاعي، يعني لما ملاقوش خالص أقدر أقول كده My phone has gone AWOL. مثال تاني. My fiancé has gone AWOL. يعني واحدة خطيبها راح سابها ومشى وهرب منها وخلاص، فهو he has gone AWOL. No one knows his place and he's scared. He left her. Okay, let's watch this super quick video.
To be found. So basically he's gone AWOL. To be found. So basically he's gone AWOL. To be found. So basically he's gone AWOL.
He has gone AWOL. Okay, goodbye.